Guys, to earn on this platform is very simple. All you need to do is to check in daily. How do you check in? It's very, very simple. Just click on check in today and you type in what you're seeing there. You see, maintain ecological balance, right? You type in maintain ecological balance. Sorry, maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability, right? And that is it. Just click on change checking and then you click on confirm and put in your passcode and you're good. That's how to check in. Very simple. And then you earn your money. Okay. If you're consistent with checking in, you get to earn as many meg as possible. Okay. You can also maximize your earnings through different other means, which includes um let me show you guys this. Yeah. So you also earn more by inviting friends, by sticking some of the next tokens you've earned. You also earn more tokens, okay? And also, um, there are many other features coming up on this platform, such as NFTs. These ones um, they are still coming up, okay? So for now, there are no NFT, but it's coming up very soon because this is one of the fastest growing Web3 project I've ever known. Just within the period of a year, just within a period of 1 year, this this MEC token has increased to has increased to 5 USDT per one, right? As you can see, the 12.63 MEC tokens I have is roughly $6.65 or even more. I seen it. So this ecosystem is really growing faster. So the earlier you join, the better for you. So to join this platform, you need to just register and use a valid means of identification to verify your identity. Do your KYC and you're good. Okay. After doing your KYC, you can chat the customer service, right? Chat the customer care, and they're going to attend to you. They need to verify your account, and when they verify your account, you receive one MEC token, which is 5 USDT, and you also earn more through the other means that I've shared with you guys. So that will be it for today, and I hope you guys had value, you gained value from this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a positive comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.